Alright, here we go. So we have a blower belt that, as you can see, it's a lot of slack. I don't know if you got that, but there's a lot of slack on this belt. And what you really want is to have really tight grip on the belt. And as you can see, this is really loose. It's worn out. You can see the thread coming out. So this is a fan belt that needs to be replaced. The restaurant manager was commenting that there was a lot of suction loss in this fan, and probably this because of this loose belt. It's about to come off. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna take this off, replace it with a brand new belt, which will really tighten it up and also create more power to suck for suction purposes. And that should resolve our issue. So let's go for it. Alright, so we've replaced the belt. As you can see, a whole lot tighter. The slack is practically gone. Really tight. And not only that, but once we turn it on, way more power in the blower. The suction is way higher, and that resolved our issue. Took two belts. The other one was the wrong size, a little too small, but this one's just right. Got the right size, everything's working properly, full suction, and it's ready to go. That's a wrap.